Hello, my fellow Beyond Vision employees and board. This is Jim Kerlin, and this is a video communication we've created to help keep everyone as informed as possible as we continue to navigate the COVID-19 pandemic. I'll continue to work from home for now, as are any of the staff that can, although I would much rather be there. Beyond Vision, and therefore each of you, continues to be an essential supplier to the federal government and almost all of our commercial customers. To date, 6 of our 7 remote BSCs have all continued to be considered essential and operational as well. We've instituted a number of safety protocols. For example, we've had the main building and call center deep cleaned and sanitized. Our cleaning company is sanitizing commonly touched surfaces like doorknobs, refrigerator handles, vending machines, and conference tables nightly. Staggering the lunch period was done so that people can maintain social distancing. Please do that. We're propping open doors, making gloves and masks available for those who want them, and etc. Incidentally, we have additional N95 masks on order, and we should have them this week. We also have non-contact thermometers on order for all locations locally and the BSCs. It's our intention to start doing entrance temperature screening to ensure no one arrives with a fever, which is one of the symptoms. Frankly, it seems a little draconian, but some of our sister agencies across the country have started similar arrival screening. It is effective and makes everyone feel a bit more secure on the job. The most important thing you can do is to follow the social distancing and hand washing and other evolving CDC recommendations to avoid getting C-19. We're all in this together, and we all are doing our part as part of the safety protocols. These are the most important things we can do to protect ourselves, our families, your fellow co-workers, and the Beyond Vision mission. I'd also like to share some encouraging news. To my knowledge, as of the recording of this message, we've had no confirmed cases in our ranks. I'm participating in a video conference with all of my CEO counterparts in the national industries for the blind family nationwide. On these calls, we're sharing best practices and safety protocols, as well as exchanging information about how each sister agency is responding. As of last week, there were only 2 cases in our family across the country, one in New York and the other in Oklahoma. Isn't that amazing? That means that your fellow co-workers nationwide are all contributing to being careful and following safety protocols. Finally, I'd like to share a few things Beyond Vision is doing to try to help go above and beyond the norm to help beat this terrible disease. We've been in contact with our sister agency in Austin, Texas that makes hand sanitizer for the federal government. It's a partnership that they have with Purell, much like ours with 3M for privacy filters. They believe they may be caught up with the VA and Department of Homeland Security priority demand in a couple of weeks. Of course, we'll fulfill our own internal needs first. However, as an approved AbilityOne distributor, we've offered to supply hand sanitizer to the COVID-19 State of Wisconsin Emergency Operations Center. We're also inquiring with Milwaukee and West Dallas local municipalities to see if we can eventually help with their needs. In addition, we've offered 100,000 square feet of our building in West Dallas for potential lease by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. We believe their intent is to set up regional facilities for storage and supply of personal protection equipment, or PPE. We did this in response to an urgent nationwide request that was sent out last week through the AbilityOne network we participate in. The selection process for warehousing space will take into account many factors like location, size, and reasonable coverage. We don't know when they'll notify us if they wish to lease our facility, but we will keep you posted. Lastly, Rob is leading an effort to possibly do unemployment insurance calls for the state of Wisconsin. We're reaching out to all of our federal agencies in the NIB network that also have call centers to see if we can collectively pool our resources to support the expected 80 to 100 call center agents level of support they anticipate needing for an estimated 3 months or more. You should all be very proud of what we're doing as a company through these unprecedented times. As the red Beyond Vision polo shirt I'm wearing proudly states on the sleeve, we have a rich history as an organization in operation for 115 years, since 1903. However, in Churchill's terms, this is perhaps our finest hour. I couldn't be prouder of all of you for doing your part to support our customers and protect each other and our mission. It's amazing to see how resilient and creative everyone has been during these unprecedented times. Our awesome Beyond Vision culture is shining. Keep up the good work, everyone.